Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best vlogging camera in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Sony Force Pro Trail Camera 30MP Photo 4K HD Video with /54 low glow LEDs for image quality day or night, 90 flash range, 110 detection range, LCD setup screen non-cell cameras for hunting. A beast in itself that also houses a 30MP camera and also supports 4K video shooting. This camera automatically knockouts a lot of its competitors just based on its ability to shoot with 4K and 30MP lens. Another no-brainer is the amount of 128 SD card that it supports for extendable storage. 1.5-inch LCD screen provides the option to view the captures and video to be seen on spot. With 950, it has the ability to illuminate any animals that passes through its vicinity. The trigger time of 0.2 seconds increase the chances of it getting sold more to its competitors. The biggest drawback that this device possesses is that the availability of fork is only restricted up to 10 fps. Number 2. Bushnell Core DS4K No Glow Trail Camera. Hunting game camera with 4K video and 32MP images, tree bark camo. The highest picture resolution with dual sensors for the best image quality at day and night, plus optimized battery life for maximum image captures, and more time in the field without checking batteries. All in a compact design to stay hidden from eyes you don't want to alert animal and human. Bushnell is built around one simple principle to make sure our materials, components, and features give you the best images and information possible in every situation, every day. After all, why settle for good or better when you can have the best? That's Bushnell. Warning: this product can expose you to chemicals including lead, which is known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. Number 1. Sony LC7S/B Alpha, a 7S mirrorless digital camera. Presenting the world's smallest and lightest one full-frame interchangeable lens camera. With a groundbreaking 35mm large pixel image sensor rated at 15.3 stops of dynamic range and an ISO 409,600 sensitivity too, the S7S reveals astonishing detail and color, even in the dead of night. Video excels with full pixel readout, a 4K optimized sensor, and uncompressed 4K output. Fast, intelligent autofocus completes the picture. This type is specially designed for filmmakers. It's amazing video quality that even works in low light. It's one of the handy cameras that can shoot 4K. Sony has worked for the filmmaker's needs. It has best video capabilities. It is very impressive and handy. It has interchangeable lens. It has CMOS frame. It has 12 megapixels of camera. It has 3-inch touchscreen display.